Hi, good afternoon. I am Dr. Sandeep Kadam, cardiologist from Baner. Today we'll talk regarding the understanding the heart attack. On World Heart Day, the objective of our talk today is to understand about the heart attack, its causes and preventive measures for it, which can avoid the heart attack. Knowing this will help us to take the right steps towards strengthening the heart health. Nowadays, incidences of heart attack and the number of deaths due to it are consistently increasing in India. Thus, let's understand what is the heart attack and what can be the reason behind it. The heart is the most essential organ and it's a non-stop functioning. It's crucial for survival. Its function as a pump and allows the circulation of blood throughout the body. Any interruption of blood oxygen supply to the heart because of blockages in the blood vessel for even a few seconds can impair its function and lead to a heart failure or a heart attack. The main reason behind such incidences is increased blood pressure and excess cholesterol and fat deposition in the blood vessel. Persistent high blood pressure damages the blood vessels by making them more rigid and by damaging their inner walls. This increases the risk of cholesterol and fat deposition in blood vessels. Where there are excessive fat, the excessive fats, it gets deposited in the inner wall of the blood vessels. It blocks the blood flow. The increased demand and lower supply of oxygen due to blockages ultimately lead to failure of the heart function. A heart attack may cause multiple symptoms and can be different from each other. A person may have just one or a combination of symptoms. This can feel like numbness or pain in your chest. This discomfort can spread to arms, neck, uh, jaw, back. However, it's not only symptoms. Possibly symptoms of heart attack are dizziness, fainting, lightheadedness, sometimes nausea, indigestion, vomiting, shortness of breath. Sometimes symptoms are mistaken as acidity. One can reduce their risk by making positive changes to your lifestyle. Here are some changes you can make that can cut your risk and put you on the path to a healthier life. Eating a heart healthy diet. What is heart healthy diet? Heart healthy diet emphasizes on increased intake of fruits, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, fish, nuts, while curbing sugary foods and beverages. Eat more fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and other high fiber foods. Vegetables and fruits are also low in calories and rich in dietary fibers. Vegetables and fruits, like other plants or plant-based foods, contain substances that may help prevent the cardiovascular disease. Eating more fruits and vegetables may help you cut down, which may help you to cut back on a higher calorie foods and such as meat, cheese, snack foods. Foods higher in a saturated fat can contribute to high cholesterol and reduces the blood flow and increases the risk of heart attack. Hence, it is also important to start a heart healthy diet to reduce the low risk. So saturated fatty acids are not good. Limit foods high in saturated fatty acids from animal products such as cheese, fatty meats, dairy desserts, tropical oils, high processed foods. So the choose unsaturated fatty acid. So compared to the saturated fatty acid, unsaturated fatty acids are more important and healthy, which don't raise the cholesterol levels. One can find unsaturated fats in foods like nuts, fish, vegetable oil, olive oil, sunflower oils. Cut back on your salt intake. Reduce your salt intake. Do not take over the table of salt, and limit the salt intake less than 2.3 milligram per day. This can help you to lower the blood pressure. As the salt intake increases, the water intake in the blood vessels, and that leads to increase in the blood pressure. If you have high blood pressures, cut down the excess salt. Restrict your salt up to 1.5 gram per day. You can lower the blood pressure with after cutting down the salt. Following an exercise plan and maintaining an ideal body weight, which is a very important thing. Regular physical activity makes the heart stronger. Regular exercise can help you in the burning calories, lowering high blood pressure, reducing LDL, which is a bad cholesterol, and boosting your HDL, which is a good cholesterol. Aerobic exercise is recommended for good heart health. A simple running, walking, jogging, cycling are some examples. Stop and get immediate medical help if you have a pain or pressure in your chest or upper part of your body, sweating, uneasiness, epigastric pain, or shoulder pain, which is never experienced in a life, get help immediately. If you have a joint problem, choose to low impact activity like swimming and walking. One can aim to get 2 hours minimum daily exercise like jogging, walking, and cycling. Quit smoking and limit your alcohol intake. Quitting smoking and drinking too much alcohol can raise the blood pressure. It also adds the extra calories, which may cause a weight gain. Cigarette smoking or any kind of tobacco, either in the form of cigarette or tobacco chewing, is not good. It can lead to the heart issue. The people who are chronic smoker, cigarette smoker, or tobacco carry a higher risk for heart attack and other heart-related problems. Managing stress. In fact, managing stress levels, getting adequate sleep is very important. Overall, it is possible to make a heart healthy and prevent heart failure or heart attack through diet, exercise, and lifestyle modification, which is very important. So try and start a healthy lifestyle, healthy diet, and do regular exercise. Thank you.